In Hebrews chapter 12 verse 1, it says, "Therefore, since we have a cloud of witness surrounding us, let us lay aside every encumbrance and the sin which so easily entangles us, and let us run with endurance the race that is set before us." So imagine na ikaw daw ay nasa isang karera, or kung nanonood ka ng track and field or yung 100-meter dash, no? And you are surrounded with so many supporters na nag-cheer para sa'yo, kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. And you are being encouraged to run the race, ano? So yun ang pakiramdam mo. And imagine pagka ikaw ay naka-cross sa finish line. So siyempre yung mga supporters mo will applaud you, will congratulate you, will somehow be happy that you have reached the finish line. In our Christian faith, ganun din tayo. We are surrounded by such a cloud of witnesses. Those who have gone before us. Mga tao na mananampalataya kay Jesus na kinuha na ni Lord na nasa piling niya, na nag-cheer sa atin. And of course, yung mga kasama natin dito sa atin, no? Sa lupa. Those who are cheering for us to finish and continue the race, no? So we are being surrounded by such a cloud of witnesses. Then sabi niya, takbo tayo. Yung mga, alam niyo, yung mga tumatakbo sa 100-meter dash, ang mga damit niya maninipis. Yung talagang magaan lang, ano? Magaan ang kanilang damit para hindi sila mabigatan at hindi maano ng hangin. Sa ating karera sa buhay, ganun din. In our Christian journey, we need to remove everything that burdens us. Yun ang papabagal sa ating takbo. Lalong-lalo na ang kasalanan. And so, kailangan nating tanggalin yun. Kasi pag hindi natin tinanggal yun, mabagal ang takbo natin. At hindi tayo makakausad. And sabi, let us run with endurance. Meaning talagang let us endure this race until the end. Because in the end, we know that we will be congratulated by our Master, the Lord Jesus Christ. Imagine, sasabihin niya sa iyo, "Well done, my good and faithful servant." And so my friends, takbo lang sa karera ng pananampalataya kay Jesus. At the end of it, we will receive the reward. The word of the Lord for you today. God bless you.